Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Nick and today I'm going to show you one concept that you need to understand in order to scale your business exponentially. Whether you start your business where you're about to start it, you need to have this thing in place so that you can serve your customers better and provide more value to them and make the most profit. So what I'm talking about is called a value ladder. This thing I learned in the .com Secrets book by Russell Brunson, and you may know what a ladder is, but a value ladder is something that businesses need in order to provide more value to their clients. So when a new person comes in your business, they are your lead and then they buy something from you, they go one step up the value ladder and then they buy something more expensive and then eventually they buy the highest priced offer that you have. So that's what a value ladder is. It's a visual representation of all your products and services, and the higher the step of the value ladder, the higher the price point of your offer. This is how it may look like. So you have a client journey. He comes from the internet and he takes your bait. You need a bait. We talked about this in the previous videos. So a bait is something you give to your target audience and you identify if they have interest in your product. So you give them something for free so that they get a taste of what your offer is. So they get the bait, then if they are buyers, because you need to qualify them, you give them a front-end low-cost offer, and if they buy that, then you offer them something more. They will get value from your bait, and then they will buy the front-end offer, and then they will buy the core offer, and then the higher priced offers that you have. So you get them to go up your value ladder. So that's the client journey. Essentially, the value ladder helps you with two things. So the first one is to provide value at any step of the value ladder. So if they get to your funnel, because a funnel, that's where you put all your offers, and you're using a funnel to actually implement the value ladder in your business. So they come and they buy the core offer. So for example, your core offer is $197, so it's $197. And at the moment they can afford that, and they're gonna buy it, they're gonna get value, and naturally if they liked it, they're gonna want more from you. So that's why you need the value ladder in place so that they can go up. So in an ideal world, you want your value ladder to never end. So you want your highest priced product to be $1 million, let's say. And then the second thing that your value ladder helps you with is sell the high ticket offers. So you provide value at any step of the value ladder, and also you're able to sell your high ticket offers, because you can't go to a person on the street and say, hey, buy my $10,000 product, because they didn't get any value from you. That's why you first use the bait. You give them something for free, and then you give them a front end offer, and then they get more and more and more from you, and they are gonna get to, some of those dream customers will get to the top and will buy your highest priced offer. And we, as I mentioned, use sales funnels in order to implement the value ladder in the business. So the first step would be our front end offer. So if we're putting all our products on a visual map, then that's what it's gonna look like for most of the products. We have our front end offer, and then we have our core offer. So front end offer is something that you give really cheap so that you see those people are interested, because the majority of the clients will be seeking freebies. We'll be looking just for free information. So you want to qualify buyers so that you know who you're working with. So the first thing, you give them something so that they put their credit card in, and you know they're a buyer. You know they're looking for more. So it can be a physical product, that's also a problem. It can be a digital product, consultation, membership. And then after the front end offer, you have your core offer, which is like the main thing that you are focused on. That's where you provide the most value so that you can get them to go up your value ladder. So after they got the core offer, you show them one upsell. So they can say yes or no. That's what sales funnels allow you to do. I use ClickFunnels to build sales funnels. And then you show, if they say yes, you show them another upsell. And one thing most businesses miss on is a continuity program. A continuity program is something where your clients pay you per month. So it can be a membership. They pay you $90 per month to be a member of your group, a member of your website. And then where you're posting content that is evergreen, so they pay you per month so that they have access to this content. And then they can be a member of a club where you meet, have live events, where you can send them physical products if it's if you're doing e-commerce and are selling physical products. I hope that I managed to show you the importance of having a value ladder in your business, and make sure to implement it. And if you're starting a new sales funnel, make sure to plan your funnel so that you cover all the steps of the value ladder. So you have an upsell, you have the core offer, then you have a front-end offer, the bait, and then you have a continuity program. And if you got value from this, make sure to subscribe and to like this video. That's it for today, so I'm gonna see you tomorrow in my next video.